Oklahoma Potato asked, "Could you maybe show us a staff?" Sure thing. I'm actually in the shop right now making them. Here we have an impressive lodgepole pine with a giant elk rub going through it. On the other side, I actually carved my boss as a mermaid. And it says, "Everything's better under the sea." This one has been burned and dyed. We used an aniline plant dye to make it green. The black is burned and charred on. And this one is for sale in our shop at the Denver location at the Colorado Renaissance Fair. We'll be at Staffs by Gust, booth 17.